Hello, beautiful. So, I figured I'd make you this video. 1, I haven't heard from you yet today. 2, I know that you need to do things multiple times, so this way you can have this video to just rewatch it multiple times, and that way you don't have to feel like you're bothering me 100 times. So what I've done is I've logged into my Connect Ed. Hopefully Mr. Snodgrass has given you that information to log in. If not, that's on him, not me. So once you're into your Connect Ed program, you go to the class that you're looking for. I still technically have the middle school student side, but not the teacher side. So that means you must have access now to the teacher side. Worksheets that are editable are going to be in the teacher side. So say I wanted to go to geometry, I'd click on geometry, and then it gives you a nice little walkthrough. I think I did it my first year, and it was kind of easy to follow. It did take some time. At some point I want to go through it again just because I know there's things that I don't know, so that's why I haven't hit the don't show me yet. I just haven't found time where I'm like, yes, let's sit down and remember how to do this all. That's where I'm at right now in my life. So basically, to get to the worksheets, to edit them, you just click here to figure out where chapter you're working on. So like if you're working in chapter 1, because you know you're in chapter 1 lesson 2, even though that's not 100% what we call it, that's where our standard is. And I minimized my screen slightly, so typically this resource stuff is over to the side here, and it's not all usually like this, so you have to hit the arrows, and then the worksheets are these little green documents. And then this is where you find your stuff. So if you want an editable version, that's the doc.x, and it'll download a Word document, which is not editable on your Chromebook. So that's where that new laptop will come into handy, because the new laptop does have Microsoft Word. So I would recommend that if you want to start editing your own, switch over to that new laptop ASAP. Otherwise, if you're just going to pick a problem, like say I just opened this one and I like some of the questions and I'm just going to assign 1, 2, 3 and then 8, 9, 10 and then call it a day, you can also do that too. But that's where you find all those worksheets, and then after the worksheets are then the answers as well. Now the answers aren't worked out, but at least it gives you a general idea of what it should be. So if you do want to work it out, you want to find it, double check your work. I will say sometimes these answer keys are wrong, same like the book answers are wrong, which is why I don't like the book answers 100%. More so, I found issues in the high school level versus the junior high, so I think you should be okay. But be aware that if you don't match that answer and you know in your gut that you've done everything right, 9 times out of 10, you're right and the book's just wrong. And then once you've got your worksheet that you want, you just print it like normal and you have all your copies. You can also do save to Google Drive, so if you want to save that PDF to your drive, you can do that as well. And I don't need to print this. So I hope that helps. Let me know otherwise. Bye, beautiful.